Most people appreciate that the Earth spins on its axis every 24 hours. We call that one day. But what few people recognize is that the Sun also spins on its axis. It takes 28 days for the Sun to spin once at the equator. Now, it actually spins faster at the North Pole and the South Pole. That's called the differential rotation of the Sun's magnetic fields. Every time the Sun spins once at the equator, it showers the Earth with different types of particles. These are positive particles and negative particles. The reason it does this is a result of the solar fusion process and the churning of the two magnetic fields as they differentially rotate. So as it spins, the equatorial region of the Sun radiates a different sequence of charged particles every month, within any 12-month period. The alternating positive and negative particles travel to the Earth in what we now call the solar wind. And when they strike the Van Allen belts, which encircle the Earth, they squash and pull the Earth's magnetic field. They modulate the Earth's magnetism. Now, we know that magnetic fields cause genetic mutations in test tube baby experiments, and we know also that personality is genetically determined. This means that the 12 different codes of radiation from the Sun result in 12 different codes of magnetic field, which causes 12 types of genetic mutation in the early fetus at the time of conception, and as a result, 12 different types of personality each year on Earth. Now, of course, the astrologers also say that the planets change things. The solar system behaves like an old-fashioned TV tube. Imagine that at one end, say the left-hand side, we have the Sun showering the Earth with a mixture of positive or negative electric particles, and at the other end, say on the right, we have the Earth as a TV screen. The planets Mercury and Venus, moving between the Sun and the Earth, deflect the beam of solar radiation striking the Earth. This causes small changes in the magnetic field of the Earth, which can affect the moment of birth, and also the biorhythms of the individual following birth. The positions of the outer planets have the ability to accelerate the solar particle beam, increasing or decreasing the kinetic energy carried by the particles, thereby increasing or decreasing the effect of the particles themselves.